Today, we will show you how to drive in BTP. Firstly, spawn your trolleybus, then enter the driver's cabin. You can walk through the doors. Sit on the seat, then turn on the main switch, control switch and the battery disconnector. Don't forget to set your reverser to the forward position. When your engine turns on, safely drive. Normal speed is 15 km per hour. If you're willing to drive a route, I recommend you should start on the line starting from Island Zosea. Island Zosea is the stop located near the depot, or skip entirely the stop. If you don't want to become a passenger trolleybus, then switch your destination boards after line 23. You are now approaching Old Style Switch. Do not drive over 15 km per hour on those switches. There's another Old Style Switch. Press number key 1 to switch to the other side. You cannot activate this mechanism if you are on idle, but you can by holding the shift key. It's mandatory to follow the speed limits. Parts of the map are with Soviet technology and architecture. Press the Q or E buttons on your keyboard to look from different sides of the trolleybus. If you are passing a sharp turn, press Q for left, E for left. If you are turning, please switch the blinkers on. Press C for left, C for left. There's another Old Style Switch. Press number key 1 to switch to the other side. When approaching a stop that your line stops at, switch on your blinkers to key C, then open the doors. 1, 2, 3. If you're done on the stop, activate the door alert button and then close the doors. R. Chapter 2. The Dangers. Please do not cross the switches over 15 km per hour or your catenary poles will fly off the catenary system. There is no diesel in game. Chapter 3. The Modern Switches. In one video, I drove a line. After exiting Scroll Stop I toured around and met a modern switch. Do you see this switch? It's a modern switch. You need to press other digits on your keyboard from 1 to 4. Here is an example. When passing switches, you can go faster than 15 km per hour. These can allow you to 30 km per hour or 45 km per hour. Each switch has a monitor with signs in different colors. If you want to switch them, you will need to press digits from 1 to 4. That's all for this video.